bad to have breakfast. I got up late. I wake up with pain again. I don't know. See how we go today. Let's have breakfast. Thank you, my wife. It's lunchtime. Oh, we got Chinese dumpling today. Nice. More of the sun again today. Every day is raining. Yeah, I did nothing today. I was in pain all day. And Jem just brought me this. I don't know what this is. I'll tell you in a sec. Oh, mashed potato. Is that for Daddy or for Bella?
Yeah, baby.
Is that my spoon?
Yeah.
Mommy.
I think she like it.
Daddy.
You like? Yeah, mashed potato is good. Good idea. Oh, well done.
This
Wow.
mango shake.
Okay, this is what?
Mango shake.
Mango. That's why Filipinos say mingo. Mashed potato. I love mashed potato. I knew she's gonna do something different and beautiful. I know my wife. Well done.
No.
You love mashed potato, my love? Oh, she loves it. Yeah, make sure you don't drop anything on the floor. Uh-oh. It's going to be another beautiful day today, with heavy rain maybe. Nevertheless, I think we should take the kids for a swim, and I need some more aqua therapy. Yeah, still a little bit of pain. After we take the kids back to the mountain, I will go see a doctor. Maybe have an x-ray just in case if the pain persists like that. Yeah, there is a chiropractor up there somewhere. We'll see. It's not dramatic, but it's getting good some days and some days not good. So it shouldn't be like this. $59.85 peso per liter.
0.3.
Tagulo.
Saluda na din.
Now, where are we going to stand? Here we come in here.
There's a small table there.
Due to the tropical storm we had the other day, we were expecting to see the beach like this. Pity. Okay, we changed beach. It's a little bit better. The other way a bit dirty. Bit better here. Not so many debris and trash. sure the kids can have a great time here. Doggy. I enjoy coming those places. Weekdays. No karaoke, no many people around. It's good, peace and quiet, beautiful. So we got rice, chicken manok, pancake, nice bread. There's a well up there we can wash. But I can't wait. Advice here is never go to the beach after tropical storm.
Baby, come here.
We've been here before. It's beautiful, clean, white sand. Today it's horrible. Still gonna enjoy.
Dodong.
Collective lunch.
Bella, now. Later. It's a shark. It's a shark. Oh no.
She wants to go swim now.
There's a
Come
shark
eat,
there.
my love. We go after. Explorer.
Ayan, gitumban.
Bella's so happy. Brother! I cannot. We attract all the dogs. Okay, from here you can see the island we went the other day, Salinok, right in the middle of the screen. Yeah. That's the one. You love me? Or you love my food? You can see she loves it. I'm gonna swim today, I don't feel like it.
She's coming to you. Come here. Go. Go to daddy. Why? Mommy only? Okay. What's that?
The water was very warm. It's not cooling you down at all. Pity. But anyway, everybody's having a good time. And that's the main thing. Bella, she loves it. She will stay there all day. Now the father. I'm sitting here relaxing. This place changed a lot. It's got a shop up there now. And this well, I don't remember this well. Oh yeah, star. Boom. Oh, that's a nice one. I'll take it home. Yeah, we take it home.
Nice.
It's a nice decoration.
Yeah. I love those things. Let it throw it.
You like, baby? It's too heavy, my love. Oh, you can sell them.
Yeah. Ay, glabay ha. Kailan lang sa balay.
No, mommy, bring here. Take the best one, that's it. That's nice. Wow. 1,000 years.
Check them all.
All by herself there. She's not scared. Uncle, got you. Gems done some archaeological find. Time for a wash. Again? 7 buckets of water already.
It's unlimited.
Does he bath like this at home? I kick him out. That's good, that's not a deep well. This one's gonna sleep. For sure. Packing up.
Asa kung nagsampung sa init, guys? Pipilitan si Bida.
Maybe we won't stop here this time because the baby's still sleeping.
The result.
Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye 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 bye.